Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Chrome your default internet browser. So first let's go to the search tab and type settings. We'll open the settings tab. We will go then to applications. We'll select default applications. We'll scroll down to web browser and we click with the left button of the mouse. Here we're going to select Google Chrome. As you see its logo, just click with the right button of the mouse or left and it should work. Once done, the logo will appear and then the default browser has been changed. You can go ahead and close your settings and your settings has been saved. Next time when you open a link, it should open automatically in Google Chrome. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.